Alright guys, super special day today. I decided to come and celebrate and do a little off-road because I have 500 subscribers on my channel. Whoa. And that's freaking awesome. I never thought I would make it. And I really appreciate all my new subscribers and all of you guys. Thank you very much. Let me fix this here. So yeah, practicing some more off-road for my Utah trip, Moab, and this is all I got here in South Florida, so I'm making the best of it. So thank you, 500 subscribers. Thank you very much, all of you. I promise to try to always give you good shit to watch. Whoa. Whenever I can. So definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos of Utah and Moab and beautiful scenery. So thanks again, everybody. Thank you very much. It means a lot. See you at 1,000, hopefully. Will that happen? I hope so. So if you guys share this video, that'll help me for sure. Share and like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Woo! That was fun.